Hey traders, what is inside my watch list? Reading your comments, reading your questions on TradingView and on Telegram, I noticed that many of you want to know what is inside my watch list. So in this video we will go through all the instruments, all the pairs that I have in my trading watch list. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Right traders, the first thing to note is that I have 36 trading instruments in my watch list, and 30 of them are the Forex pairs. As you can see, I'm a pure Forex trader, and the major part of my watch list are the currencies. Then I have 3 CFDs, I have 2 indexes, and 1 cryptocurrency. So let me show you in details which Forex pairs do I have, which CFDs I have, which indexes I have, and which cryptocurrency I have in my watch list. The main and my favorite instruments in my watch list are the dollar pairs. As you can see here, I have the euro dollar pair, pound dollar pair, dollar yen pair, dollar cat pair, New Zealand dollar pair, Aussie dollar pair, and dollar Swiss pair. Dollar pairs are the most liquid pairs. These are the most popular trading pairs. They are the cheapest to trade. I love them. I like how the price acts right there. The manipulations there are crazy, and it is very interesting to always see the battle there between bulls and bears. The next 6 pairs in my watch list are the euro pairs. I always start with the euro pound, then I switch to euro yen, then I analyze euro Aussie, euro cat, euro New Zealand, and euro Swiss. I love euro pairs because if you are wrong there, the price quickly stops you out. And if you are right in your predictions most of the time, you catch a very nice winner. These pairs are very volatile, and the spreads there again are relatively low, so definitely check them if you trade Forex. And the next 5 pairs are the pound pairs. I have here the pound yen, pound New Zealand, pound Aussie, pound cat, and pound Swiss. And to be honest, the pound pairs are very hard to trade, especially for the newbie traders. You know, it is very easy to be stopped out there. The stop hunting on pound pairs is severe, yes, and you must be extremely patient. You must have very nice rules to trade the pound pairs successfully. You know, the market maker will do everything to stop you out from a trade. So be very careful trading pound pairs, but if you master them, trading dollar pairs or euro pairs will seem very simple to you. The next instrument in my watch list is gold, and what I love about gold is the fact that gold is appropriate for long-term investing, for swing trading, for intraday trading, and for scalping. Gold is very peculiar financial instrument to trade, and if you trade that, always monitor the spreads. Sometimes the spreads there are high, and moreover, if you trade CFDs on gold, remember that with the CFDs trading, you are trading against the broker. For that reason, you know, in kind of obvious situations, in obvious bullish trades, bearish trades, you know, quite often the spreads will be too high because broker knows that it is very simple. So, you know, there are a lot of nuances with trading gold. And by the way, let me know in the comment section if you're interested in discussion of the nuances of gold trading. I can record the video for you explaining all these tricks and things to know. The next one in my watch list is WTI crude oil, and there are a lot of tickers for crude oil. We have the Brent oil, the UK oil, US oil, and so forth. And you know, you don't need all of them to trade oil market. You know, all this CFDs on oil are trading in a close correlation, so it is enough for you to have just one. And in my view, WTI oil is the most liquid, the cheapest to trade, and most of the brokers give us the access to US oil CFD trading. So definitely check it, monitor that. It is very interesting trading instrument. The next one in my watch list is dollar index, DXY, and even though I don't trade the index by itself, its analysis helps me to make more accurate predictions, more accurate decisions trading dollar pairs, gold, WTI. And quite often, once the DXY approaching some important key level, we see the immediate reaction on all other dollar related instruments. So definitely monitor DXY, analyze that. It is very interesting to see how it reacts to different key levels, how it forms the patterns. So watch that carefully. The next one in my watch list is the S&P 500 index. And I know that in your watch list, most likely you have the US 30, you have the US 500, you have the Nasdaq, you have Dow Jones, you have all these major indexes. But the truth is that they are very closely correlated. And if you see the massive fall on one of them, you just open the another one and you see the same bearish rally. And same thing with the bullish moves. Yes, once you see the bullish rally on one of them, most of the time we see bullish rally on all the major indexes. So why to hold all of them in your watch list? Just pick the one that you like. And I like S&P 500 index. Yes, it is the index that I personally trade. And by the way, the only strategy that I apply there is the trend following trading. I never short the index. Yes, I'm always trying to buy it on pullbacks. The king of all cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and BTC-USD is the pair that I apply for trading, for investing, and we must admit that BTC-USD reflects the mood on the entire crypto market. Yes, if we see the strong bullish rally on BTC-USD most of the time opening some altcoins, we see the same movement. Yes, and the same thing with the bearish rallies. Monitor BTC-USD, Bitcoin may give us huge, gigantic profit, and I like how technical analysis works there. My classic top-down strategy perfectly works on crypto market, so Bitcoin is the must-watch cryptocurrency in your watch list. And then I have the so-called minor pairs. I start with the Aussie pairs, the Aussie New Zealand, Aussie Yen, Aussie CAD, Aussie Swiss. And with the minor pairs, you should always check the spreads. The liquidity is lower on the minor pairs. For that reason, the trading there is quite nuanced. So never forget to check the spreads there before you open the trade, especially if you are a scalper. The next two are the minor pairs, the CAD pairs, CAD Swiss and CAD Yen. And the last four minor pairs for you to watch are the New Zealand pairs, New Zealand CAD, New Zealand Yen, New Zealand Swiss, and the Swiss Yen pair. The next instrument in my watch list is silver, CFDs on silver, and I frequently receive the questions from different traders asking why to trade silver. Like gold and silver are very closely correlated, so why to hold silver in a watch list? And the fact is that I don't really believe that they are closely correlated. If you open, for example, the weekly chart, they are very different. If you open hourly time frame, they are different again. And of course, sometimes the rallies there match. Sometimes we see the bearish rally on silver, sometimes we see the bearish rally on gold at the same time. But the fact is that I still love it. Yes, it is appropriate for investing, appropriate for scalping, for intraday trading, so definitely watch silver. And the last two instruments in my watch list are the exotic pairs. First of all, I have the dollar ruble pair, and I have this pair simply because I'm Russian and the value of my national currency is very important to me. And then I have the dollar Singapore dollar. And it is very funny why I have this pair in my watch list. Doing the private coaching program, doing the mentorship program, I met so many people from Singapore. And we analyzed this currency together many times. And I found out that my price action strategy, my top-down trading strategy works there phenomenally well. So I decided to trade it, yes, and occasionally I catch very nice winners there. Right, traders, thank you so much for watching, and you can download my watch list in a link in the description below. Also, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please let me know what do you want to learn in the next videos. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I will see you next week, traders.